friends, today we are gonna learn Lithuanian with one of my Lithuanian friends. So let's start. I will be telling in English, she will be telling it in Lithuania. And now let's start. What is your name?
Koks tavo vardas?
Answer. My name is Naya.
Mano vardas Livija.
Hi. Hello.
Labas, laba diena.
Okay. And now 3. How are you?
Kaip tu?
Answer. I am good.
Aš esu gerai.
4. Good morning.
Labas rytas.
Okay, now we are gonna tell colors. Spalvos in Lithuania. Okay, so let's now start. Red,
Raudona.
blue,
Mėlyna.
green,
Žalia.
orange,
Oranžinė.
black,
Juoda.
white,
Balta.
and gray.
Pilka.
And that's all. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, so comment us so we can get to know and make more such videos. Bye bye. Bye. Rytas,